the bird who didn't want to fly. In a tree that touched the sky lived a tiny bird named Pip. His feathers were soft, his beak was shiny, and his wings? Well, they worked just fine. But Pip had a secret. He didn't want to fly. So, while his brothers and sisters zipped through the clouds, Pip preferred hopping from branch to branch. "Come fly with us, Pip," they chirped. "Maybe later," Pip always said. He liked the view from his cozy perch. He loved the sound of the wind in the leaves. He even had a tiny hammock made from grass strands. One day, the wind blew stronger than usual. All the birds were out flying, practicing loops and dives, all except Pip. Suddenly, a loud snap! Pip's branch broke off and began to fall. The little bird flapped wildly, trying to grab onto something. But there was nothing, just air and sky and whooshing wind. "Reek!" Pip squeaked. And then, something amazing happened. His wings caught the wind. They stretched out, steady and strong. Pip was flying. At first he flapped awkwardly. Then he glided. Then he spun in a little wobbly loop. "I'm doing it!" Pip shouted, surprised and thrilled. His siblings cheered from above. "You're flying, Pip!" From that day on, Pip still loved sitting in his hammock. But now, he also loved soaring through the sky, especially when the clouds looked like animals. Because sometimes, it takes a little push to discover what you were always meant to do. The end, Tivenhass. Would you be more like Pip in the tree, or Pip in the sky? Hey, like if you believe in trying new things. Share this story with your favorite brave bird. Subscribe for more bedtime adventures full of wonder and warmth. Sleep tight, little flyer. Your wings are waiting. Hey, hey.